Hi, welcome back to Flower School. I'm Michael Gaffney. This is the American School of Flower Design and Flower Power. You found us through buyflowerpower.com or flowerschool101.com. I've been a designer for 25 plus years. I'm here to turn you into a designer. As you know, I think all flower designing has their technique pattern based on math, science, and architecture. In class number 14, we're going to do what I call the Michael. I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to push everything to the outside. This is going to open up everything but these three. It's going to open up your bouquet so it reads like a flower. She's going to look at it and fall in love with your work. So there it is. I'm hypnotizing you. Just random flowers I chose off the market today. Put them in perfect symmetry. It works every time. You cannot go wrong. It's a geometric-based flower design. I do it in pinks and mauves and pastel pinks, champagne and white. It's like a spirograph when you stuck your pen in there and wiggled it. It always turned out. So will this if you follow that basic idea of symmetry and balance. I'm Michael Gaffney with American School of Flower Design. Watch this video over and over again. Practice this one. It'll get you through the next 10 years of your weddings. So see you next class. Keep blooming.